Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What helps COVID cough at night? It can help to elevate yourself when sleeping by slipping a wedge under your pillow, says Klitzman. She adds, over-the-counter cough suppressants, antitussives, taken before bed can be very helpful. How do I know if my cough is COVID? What does a COVID cough sound like? Dry cough. It sounds like someone's hacking up a lung. Persistent cough. It's a painful loop. Additional symptoms, typically, within the first week of infection, alongside the cough. Other COVID symptoms tend to follow: chest pains, fatigue, headaches, and shortness of breath. What is GERD cough? GERD cough is a common occurrence that accompanies the condition. Patients who suffer from GERD experience severe heartburn and acid reflux that often creates a burning sensation in the chest. Many of the GERD symptoms can be uncomfortable and painful, and this also includes GERD cough. Is it normal to cough after COVID-19? Whilst recovering from COVID, you may continue to experience a dry cough for some time. Over time, a cough can develop into a cycle, where excessive coughing causes irritation and inflammation, which worsens the cough.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.